Hi guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify app. So guys, when you want to install any app and facing this type of issue on your iPhone, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings and guys click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect it. And after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, secondly, you need to scroll it down, click on general. And guys, after this, you need to click on date and time and make sure that date and time is set automatically. And after doing this, you need to go back, click on VPN and device management and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone. So guys, if connected, then you need to disconnect it. And guys, click on transfer and reset iPhone. Simply here at the option, you need to click on this, click on reset and click on reset network settings. And guys, after this, you need to go back. And guys, you need scroll it down here at the option of system update. So guys, simply you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, iOS 17.2 beta. So guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.